Hello, Chef Marcus Giuliano here, and I'm your chef on a mission. Today's mission is blogging or vlogging. I want to share two tools that I love to use when I'm out vlogging. Of course, without it being said, your phone is the most important thing. These phones are so powerful to do so many, and this technology behind this is amazing. So I know a lot of people are saying, Marcus, what camera do I need? What camera do I need? Honestly, smartphones work perfectly fine. Of course, the better iPhone you have, the better quality you're going to have. The new iPhone, the iPhone 8 or iPhone 10 has like 64 frames per second. You have to go in and set that up in there. But that's like Hollywood style, Hollywood quality, like 10 years ago. Thousands and thousands and thousands, tens of thousands of dollars that phone would be in a camera version 10, 15 years ago, 20 years ago. So your people don't let your phone stop you. So now that you have that iPhone and you're using the iPhone, here picture quality is really never the issue. It's always audio quality. So if I'm in a crowded room and I want to interview somebody, hold my phone out and interviewing, right, and talking, this microphone here doesn't really get me and get that person without getting everybody else in the background. It's really, really annoying. So this little Firewire plug-in here, microphone, it's a lavalier mic from Steinhauer, is amazing. It's a corded lavalier mic, and I can use this like a handheld microphone basically. Where I've used this, this is field tested, people. So I've actually used this, right? I'll be recording the person I'm talking to, I'll talk, then I'll hand them the microphone and go back and forth. And this is super, super effective in a crowded room. It really makes a massive, massive difference. This is about a $110 investment. It's a lavalier mic. It's got a nice long cord on it. You can see that. Firewire plug-in. And there's the lavalier mic. And of course, you can clip it onto yourself as well, but I use it like a handheld, like I said, works fantastic. The next situation with audio is if you're interviewing somebody and you're sitting 3-4 feet away from each other, and this is on a mounted tripod. You're not going to be able to get close enough to them. So it's a mounted tripod. I'm here. Somebody else is over there. This microphone is amazing. I'm really loving this microphone. And I've used this before. And you can see the power will turn on it. And I'll mount this on my tripod. And this goes directional. This will pop off if you want to take it off. And you can see here, we can twist and turn this for better directional use. And it's powered. So there's power going to it from your phone. And this microphone is amazing as well. This is a Zoom microphone, Zoom brand. And I want to say, I think I paid about $75 for this microphone. But again, I've done side-by-side comparisons of this microphone, this phone mounted, and doing two interviews talking. Actually, if you've seen in my videos where I go to the radio studio, the radio show, every other Thursday here in Ellenville, my hometown, I'll take my phone and I'll record. Well, one week I did experiments. I used this microphone one week. I used no microphone. And then I used the lavalier mic, where the lavalier mic was just dangling in the center, and I thought it was equidistance between both of us speakers, the person who was interviewing me. And I got to tell you, the lavalier mic did not work in that instance because there was no outside noise and it wasn't up close enough. This microphone, the microphone on the phone, just it got both of us, but it didn't get high enough input from both of us. And of course, this microphone was what worked for that. This was a trick, and so for seated interviews and videos where you have two people sitting across from each other, this really, really makes a difference. So those are two tips. Actually two tips. These are actually two audio things that I like to use. Microphone is so important. It's always the sound quality that sucks over the picture. Smartphones, it's easy to get an awesome picture, like I said. So these gadgets are well worth the $75 and $110 that I bought them for. Again, this is a Zoom. And this is a Steinhauer lavalier mic. That's it. So get out there and make more videos. Don't let the phone stop you. You have a perfect phone in your hands to make some awesome videos. And that's it. If you like my videos, please hit like, subscribe, and pass it on.